Planning a baby shower is an exciting opportunity to celebrate the upcoming arrival of a little one. Whether you're a first-time host or a seasoned planner, here are some essential tips to make the event memorable and stress-free. Start by choosing a theme that reflects the parents-to-be's style and preferences. Whether it's a classic pastel palette or a whimsical woodland adventure, a cohesive theme sets the tone for the entire event. Next, create a guest list and send out invitations well in advance. Digital invites are convenient and eco-friendly, but traditional paper invitations add a personal touch. Make sure to include all the necessary details like date, time, location, and RSVP information. When it comes to decorations, less is often more. Focus on a few key elements like a beautiful centerpiece, themed tableware, and a backdrop for photos. Balloons and banners can add a festive touch without overwhelming the space. Plan a menu that caters to a variety of tastes. Finger foods, a dessert table, and a signature mocktail are always crowd pleasers. Don't forget to consider any dietary restrictions your guests might have. Games and activities are a great way to keep the energy up and guests entertained. Classic games like Guess the Baby Food or a diaper raffle can bring lots of laughs. Consider setting up a craft station where guests can create personalized onesies or bibs for the baby. Finally, prepare thoughtful favors to thank your guests for attending. Small tokens like scented candles, personalized cookies, or seed packets can leave a lasting impression. Remember, the most important aspect of a baby shower is celebrating with loved ones. Keep the atmosphere light and joyful, and don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. With these tips, you're sure to host a baby shower that's as special as the new arrival.